In the example, I'm going to show you how to read the graph of the function and answer the following question. A. What is f of 0? Remember, f of 0 means I'm looking for the value of y when x is 0. So f of 0, when you read the graph right here as our y, our x-axis, when x equal to 0, our y is 4. Looking for f of 3 pi over 2. In other words, I'm asking you, what is our function equal to when x is 3 pi over 2? Or what is y equal to when x equal to 3 pi over 2? So read our graph, we go to 3 pi over 2 right here. You see our y value is 0. Because this is the point where x is 3 pi over 2. But at this point here, our graph is crossed over the x-intercept. So we have y equal to 0. And now the last one is we're asking you what's f of 3 pi. Okay, so you read here, somewhere around here you see there's a 3 pi is down this way. Right here, x is 3 pi, y is minus 4. Our answer is minus 4. Part B, we're looking for what is the domain of f. Remember, the domain means the set of x value. Okay, so to read the graph, this is our graph here, start here and the end right here. The dot means that we include the point 0, 4. Right here we include the point 4 pi and 4. So the domain means I'm read the x value only. So our graph start at x is 0. Start at 0 here. And at the end at x equal to 4 pi. Because we have a dot here means we include a point. So we have brackets means we include a point. Or C, we're looking for the range of f. The range means the y of a function. So when we read this, for a range, we read up and down. So as I said, what is the smallest value of the y and with the highest value of y? You look at here, our smallest value of y is minus 4. And the highest value for y is 4. Since we include all the points, include brackets. Because the smaller point here is minus 4, and we include the point here. The shaded dot means we include a point, so we have brackets. D. List the intercept. Intercept means, in the case here, looking for x and y intercept. Now for x-intercept, we have this point is pi over 2, this point, and this point. So you have pi over 2, comma 0. We have 3 pi over 2, 0. We have 5 pi over 2. We have 7 pi over 2, and 0. These are our x-intercept. We have one y-intercept, which is 0, 4. E. How often does the line y equal to intersect the graph? The line y equal to 2 is the horizontal line at 2. So if you draw the horizontal line right here, approximately right there, like a 2. You see the line y equal to intersect the graph 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. Our next question is for what values of x thus f of x equal to minus 4. They're asking you what is your x value when y is minus 4. When we have a graph, when y equal to minus 4, we have x equal to pi, and then x equal to 3 pi. G, for what values of x is f of x greater than 0? Remember f of x is y value, so read the graph. You look at the graph here. Here is our x-axis. Everything above a graph, our y value is greater than 0. So this piece right here, all our y value is greater than 0. So as over here. Everything is above the graph, y is greater than 0. Everything below the graph is less than 0. So when x is the case is y less than 0 is below the graph, above is greater. So we want to know what value of x will make, what value of x that our y is greater than 0. Now let's see. When x between 0 to 2 pi, our y value is positive. So somewhere x between 0, comma, the interval 0 to 2 pi by 2. You see right here? Here x equal to 0. This interval right here, from 0 to pi by 2, that is our y value greater than 0. From 3 pi over 2, this piece right here, 2, 5 pi over 2, all the x value here, our y also greater than 0. So our answer is also 3 pi over 2, the interval 3 pi over 2 through 5 pi over 2. From this x value to this x value, our y all greater than 0. Then we also have from 7 pi over 2 up to 4 pi over 2, this is our x value. Our y value also greater than 0. So I have 7 pi over 2 to 4. Is this 4 pi? Yeah, 4 pi. So these are 3 intervals where y is greater than 0. 3 intervals of x value that y is greater than 0.